Hi guys, just going to have a quick look here at a new product from Regin. It's called the Dusta Duo. So it's an air duster and vacuum in one. Charges through a USB cable. Now if we take a quick look at it here, on the front you've got a selector switch. That's between air duster and vacuum. So we start with the air duster, open it up, press the button, brings it on. Press it again, you're into maximum. Press it again, knocks it off. If we go into vacuum, switch it across, on, press again, maximum. Comes with a range of different attachments for working in confined spaces. I personally think this works great on gas fires, which I'm going to be doing right now. To clean out the filter, turn, pop it out, give it a clean, reinsert, back on, twist, oh, you're ready to go. And the great thing about it, it will fit straight into the servicing bag.